Hello student, we will continue our topic 10.6. How is the sex of baby determined? Insi- Inside the fertilizing egg or zygote is the instruction from the determine the sex of the baby. This instruction is present in the thyroid-like structures called chromosomes. In the fertilized egg, recall from the chapter 8 that are the present inside the nucleus of every cell. All human beings have 23 pairs of in this nucleus of this cell. Two out of these are the named X and Y. A female has a 2X while the male has 1X and Y chromosomes. The unfertilized egg always has an X, but the sperm are of two kinds. One kind has an X and the other kind has an Y. So in this they are showing X and Y, X for females and Y for boys. It's seen this figure 10.4 how this will be occur X and XY XX. So इतना इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं है, लेकिन we will continue over next 10.7 hormones other than sex hormones. Look at figure 10.3 against the hormones secreted by the testes and ovaries to produce the hormones. You have already learned that the end is an androgen gland. It is attached to the brain, यानी ये सब ब्रेन से अटैच होता है. So ये फिगर्स भी इतना इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं है. Bujo and Paheli had once visited their aunt who was a doctor and remembered that a boy named Kaka had a very big and blowing throat. यानी पहेली एंड बुजो जो है एक दिन विज़िट किया अपने आंट के घर. उसकी आंट क्या है, डॉक्टर है, और जो बॉय था उसका नेम क्या है, काका. Their aunt told them the Kaka was suffering from a goiter and disease of the thyroid gland. यानी उसको क्या था, थायराइड ग्लैंड क्या बीमारी था. Kaka's thyroid gland was not producing the hormone thyroxine. Their aunt also told them that their uncle was suffering from the diabetes because his concept was not producing the hormones insulin in the sufficient quality. यानी ज़्यादातर परिमाण में इंसुलिन सफिशिएंट नहीं होता था, तो उसकी वजह से अंकल को क्या हो गया, डायबिटीज़ हो गया. Bujo and Paheli then asked their aunt about the adrenal glands, which are also shown in the chart huge hunks of the wall of her clinic. The aunt told them that the glands secreted hormones which maintains the correct salt balance in the body. यानी पहेली और बुजो जो है, एक उसके आंट को एक चीज़ पूछी कि जो आप एक पिक्चर पोस्टर लगा था उसमें ये क्यों लगा है, तो उसकी आंट ने उसको एक्सप्लेन किया कि वो सफिशेंट वे में उसको मिले. थायराइड एंड secrete their hormones when there are the receive order from the purity through its hormones, also growth hormones, which is necessary for the normal growth of a person. यानी normal growth of person जो होती है उसके लिए. So we will go in 10.8 role of hormones in completing the life history of insect and frogs. You have already learned about the life of history of skill moth and the frog. यानी ये skill of moth और frog का आपने आगे पढ़ा है. Various stages become an adult moth. Recall from the class 7 the stages of the life history of the skilled moth. Similarly, the tadpole passes through the certain stages to become a frog. Chapter number 9. यानी ये जो हमने पढ़ा है, जो 7th के अंदर पढ़ा है। ये जो एक्टिविटी है, कलेक्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम द मैक्सिमम और फ्रॉम द डॉक्टर्स एंड पेपर अ नोट ऑन द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ द कंज्यूमिंग सॉल्ट। यू कैन ऑल्सो लुक फॉर द इंफॉर्मेशन ऑन द इंटरनेट, यानी इंटरनेट के ऊपर भी आप जो है रिसर्च कर सकते हैं, या फिर आपको कोई डॉक्टर के साथ बातचीत करके भी आप कर सकते हैं। So we will stop here. We will continue in our next video.